Hi, so this week I have a few comparing words to add to our vocabulary. So let's just take a look at what they are, and then I will help you use them in sentences before you go out on your home scavenger hunt to compare groups. So these are comparing words. One is equal, equal. When something is equal, it is the same. So for instance, I could have 2 glue sticks and I might have 2 markers. So when I'm comparing these two groups, I have the same amount or an equal amount. They are equal. I have 2 glue sticks and I have 2 Expo pens. So I have an equal amount. Both of them have 2 in their group, so they are equal. So another word in our list that we would like to know is fewer. Fewer is a smaller amount. So if I'm going to compare, I have 2 Expo pens, 1, 2, and I have 1 glue stick. Are they the same? Are they equal? How do you know they're not equal? You could match them and pair them off. That's true, and then you would have an extra, 1 extra Expo pen. So we have, if I was going to create a sentence, I would say, I have fewer glue sticks than Expo pens. I have 1 less glue stick than I have Expo pens, or I have 1 extra Expo pen. Then our next word is more, so I could use that in a sentence to describe these groups as well. I could say I have 1 more Expo pen than glue stick. Or I could say I have more Expo pens than glue sticks. And then our last concept that we want to know is same number. If I had an equal amount in both groups, if I had 2 Expo pens and 2 glue sticks, I would have an equal amount in both groups. 2 is equal to, or 2 is the same number as 2. Another way to show that would be the equals sign. But if we were going to read it, we would say 2 is equal to 2, or 2 is the same as 2. Okay, so let's just go ahead and take a look at our chart really quickly. So in this chart, I would count my group on the top. What are these called? Helicopters. How many helicopters do I have? 3 helicopters. I have 3 helicopters. How many fire trucks? What is a sentence you could use to describe or compare the two groups? I have more helicopters than fire trucks. I have fewer fire trucks than helicopters. If I wanted to use a number in my sentence, I could say I have 1 extra helicopter. I have one more helicopter than fire trucks. I could pair them off and this would be an extra one. So with you and your chat partners at home, why don't you go ahead and talk about the other groups in this, and I'll be back in just a minute to follow up on this.